So yesterday I told you that I'll be doing a habit stacking. After drinking a bottle of water, I will stack a habit on top of it. And right now, I thought, why not develop my grip? Whenever I chug in one bottle of water, I will try to strengthen my grip by doing that grip strengthening exercise. They say grip is very helpful marker for longevity. Plus, it also helps me with a lot of functional things in life, like braking sa bike, like lifting weights sa gym. And also, guys, I wanted to show you the interface of the HydroCoach app. Here's the app right here. This little icon right here. I'll open it up. So right now, I can just check how much water I drank throughout the whole day. So right now, it's 11 o'clock and I'm halfway through my drinking goals. And look at the interface. So it's like the one sa Apple na interface. Plus, if you can see, there's an analytics right here. So ako personally, gusto ko yung interface niya kasi before I've used Plant Nanny. It's an app also that tracks how much water you've drank. But because it's gamified, I somehow cheat on it. Like kahit hindi pa ako nakakainom, because I want the plant to grow, I'll just tap na nakainom na ako ng tubig kahit hindi pa. I really like the HydroCoach app because it's simple and the simplicity keeps me honest with how I track my hydration goals.